welcome back to the beauty room for another video. So I know you're probably wondering where I am right now. I'm currently, if you saw the title, then you already know. So currently I'm in a Airbnb house right now because our house that we currently live in is under construction. We're actually remodeling our kitchen right now, and we're also going to be doing our laundry room and our pantry and our bathroom. And so we're going to be in this Airbnb until all of that stuff is done, because ladies, if you feel me, it's really hard to homeschool kids and do home renovations at the same time and work out and do all these other things that you need to do and still be sane. Okay, so right now this is where I'm gonna be at until hopefully all that is done, and hopefully in a month I can go back and be in my house, okay? Filming videos for you guys. But until then, this is where we're gonna be. So the videos are gonna be a little different, but that's okay, because I got you, because it's Vlogtober and we ain't gonna stop. Videos is gonna keep coming out. So if you like these types of videos and you like home tours, then keep watching, because I'm gonna take you on a tour of my Airbnb house and let you see how I'm living. So let's get into the house tour. Let's go. Okay, so it's nice, guys. This is like the living area when you first walk in. And then there's a nice little TV, chair, go into the kitchen. Okay. Nice little fridge. Okay. Nice. There's a basement. Oh, sweet. Get to our lessons down here. Wow, I didn't know she had a basement area too. Oh, wow. Cute. Okay. Okay, and this other bedroom, super cute. This will be the boys' bedroom. And then the bathroom. Nice. Then my room. Super nice. Okay. Cute. Closet here for our clothes. Sweet. Alright. So cool. don't know how you get to the patio. How do you even get there? There's a patio. Okay, here's a patio situation. So I hope you enjoyed watching this Airbnb house tour. If you did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up down below and click subscribe while you're at it if you haven't. I hope you found your inner glow through watching this video, and more videos to come in the future, maybe a kitchen tour and a pantry tour and a bathroom tour as those rooms get done in my house. And stay tuned for that, and I'll see you in the future. Bye!